All too often, insurance companies will try to distort facts in order to minimize the damages they're responsible for in an injury claim, even in the face of overwhelming evidence. Our client was seriously injured when a Houston police car struck the ride-share vehicle that he was riding in. The insurance company tried to argue the officer was not at fault, despite his admission of guilt caught on Bodycam footage.
You good?
Yeah. So I think I may be at fault.
Oh,
you rolling? Yeah.
The officer acknowledges his responsibility for the collision, but another officer intentionally cuts him short. The absence of this evidence could have significantly altered the outcome of this case. At VB Attorneys, we are the best at what we do. Our expert car accident attorneys are here to help you get the compensation you deserve. If you or a loved one has been injured in an accident, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.